Hello guys, how are you? My name is Aman, nice to meet you. Okay, let's talk about our platform. Our platform is vibe coding platform called Borchani. Here what you can do, yes, you can make a site, make a mobile app and anything else. For example, we can do here, for example, this button right. What does it mean? You can write create social media post. Second one, you can write, for example, draft email newsletters. Second one, write a blog post, draft an outline for my project, and for example, edit my content. This button learn, it means that, for example, help me understand a complex topic from scratch, create effective flashcards, design a lesson or curriculum, summarize my academic papers, explain the concept simply. What else it can code you, build a REST API, create a landing page, develop mobile app, build a dashboard with charts, create a browser extension, live stuff. For example, you can create personal development plan, yes, if you need a plan for development, or create reading list, create family activities, and etc. Also, this is Borchani choice. It means that this is very popular, yes, very popular, most popular request from our users. Build habit tracker, create personal finance dashboard, make a receipt app while with meal planning. For example, guys, what we will do next? Okay, let's make a receipt app with meal planning. Okay, let's go. And also you can here attach any files, any images or something like this for etc. Okay, for example, make a recipe app with email planning. And also here we can write a stack, yes. For example, front is react, for example, front react, and for example backend, yes. And you can write, yes, for example, what will be, for example, you can write, I want a yellow site with modern and minimalistic design, yes. And also I want a form, and I want a landing page. Okay, let's start. Let's push it. Okay, let's go. And now he's starting. Okay, guys, this account is without money, so I sign out and I sign in with my another account. Yes. For example, this account we have money. Yes. For example, guys, this app gives you 5 credits per day. Yes, 5 credits per day, absolutely free. You can use it. Yes. And okay, now it starts. It's going to see, and let's go. Oh, what, I think that here's also no credits. Okay, guys. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, and we are going to go to another account. Yes. And here is, for example, let's go another account. Okay. Okay, let's go for this account. I think it's okay. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Yes. And this is my old account. Yes. And in that account there is no credits. Okay, guys, I putting here. Yes, make a receipt app. Okay, let's go. So it's starting. Yes, it's starting. And now while he's doing, I will show you some features. Yes, features that are here. Okay, let's go ahead and I will show you. For example, what we have here, upgrade to pro. Yes, this is our plan. This is your credits remaining, your monthly credits. Yes, you have 5 credits per day. Also, yes, we have this one is $19 per month, $49. And what is advantage is that more cheaper than other services, yes, than other services, than other concurrents. Yes, it's more cheaper. And here is discover. It means that you made before your work. It's like a history of your works, yes. And also settings, you have here settings, sessions. And also what do you have, what, for example, this he's mailing. And we have one good thing that you have a mode, yes, light mode, dark mode, yes, you can see system mode here, yes, you can choose anything you want. Also you can revoke the sessions, yes, delete your own account, and etc. Okay guys, what will be next is the next one, yes, the app is starting, yes, he's making an site, yes. And for example, if you don't know developer, if you don't know programming, you can do it without any technical skills. It's really good, yes. For example, if you are not technical man, technical girl, you can do it yourself. For example, oh, it's right. And then here you will see a preview menu, yes. And you can also clone it to GitHub. You can also publish this site, yes. It's very good. So what else do we have here? Yes, else you can what while the code is making, you can write any good issues. Yes, you can here, for example, yes, for example, okay, he's mailing, I will show you. Also, yes, you have what, for example, here is a good question, is a question about what do you see. I will show you in the next part, in the second part, I will show you what we have. Okay guys.